I want to show you how to get a really small seam allowance on the Janome CM17. How I do that, I put in my regular needle plate. I'm using my HP2 foot. You could use your HP foot, but you can see when I put in that regular needle plate or the zigzag needle plate, that needle is going to go right through the hole in the foot, giving me a really close to the edge stitch, like this. So you can see how close to the edge I've got that stitch. Great for top stitching or when I really do not want a 1/4 inch seam and I really want something a lot less than that.